Right, well, good evening, everybody. Here we go. It's Sunday. It's the 1st of December 2019. Christmas is now, 4.5 weeks away? It won't be long before it's here. So we're here now to look at the weather for Kent for the week ahead. Well, it's turned cold. The cold snap that we spoke about last Sunday now has arrived. Perhaps not quite as cold as it was potentially looking, but there's going to be some frosts over the next few nights. But to compensate, there's going to be some lovely sunny days. There's a change to come, though, at the end of the week. So I'm going to start with this evening. Well, outside, it's been dry today, but I think from about 2 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, the showers did start to move in from the North Sea. They're across the county at the moment, and 1 or 2 quite heavy ones actually moving down through the middle of Kent at the moment. They'll persist for another 2 or 3 hours, but then they'll push out the way. The sky should clear and the temperatures will fall, getting down widely to 0, perhaps -2 in some western parts of the county, but perhaps 2 or 3 degrees above 0 on the Thanet coast, where you've perhaps still got a little bit of breeze coming in from the north or the northwest. So we start tomorrow, we'll be scraping our cars, it'll be cold, it'll be sunny, and tomorrow is going to be one of those lovely, fine, alpine, clear, sunny days. Light winds, temperatures around about 6 or 7 degrees, but it won't feel as cold because the wind will be very light tomorrow, coming in from the north or the northwest at 5 miles an hour or less. Temperatures peaking tomorrow afternoon at around about 5 or 6 degrees after that very frosty start. Tomorrow night into Tuesday, another cold and a frosty night. Temperatures again down to -2, possibly -3 in 1 or 2 places. Very cold indeed, but it means once again Tuesday is a dry and fine day with long spells of sunshine. High pressure by now will be right across the county, bringing very, very settled conditions indeed. Tuesday night, as I said, it will be cold again, perhaps not quite as cold. I think in the early hours of Wednesday, the breeze may just start to switch round to a more south or southeasterly direction off the channel. So perhaps temperatures not quite as cold as we go into Wednesday morning, down to maybe sort of 0 to +2. So some places will avoid a frost on Wednesday morning, but once again, inland towards the west of the county, you will be scraping your cars once again. Wednesday, a dry, fine and a sunny day. Winds very light or calm, and temperatures peaking again at around about 5 or 6 degrees. So a couple of degrees below where we should now be for early December. Looking at Thursday, another dry and fine day after a cold and frosty start. We could be seeing temperatures again down at -3 degrees. Perhaps also the risk of some more in the way of fog patches on Thursday morning. So that is just something that we need to be aware of if we're out and about early. I think once that mist and fog has cleared out the way, Thursday is another dry, fine and sunny day. Very light winds, temperatures getting up to around about 4 or 5 degrees. But if you're under any mist or fog where it's a bit sun to clear, temperatures could be a couple of degrees colder. Now, as we move towards Friday, it couldn't last. High pressure will now be moving out into the near continent. We open up the winds back into the west. So it does mean that we'll then be waiting for weather fronts to start coming in on Friday. So by Friday, I'm expecting more in the way of cloud. Rain will be pushing in from the west, and southwesterly breezes by then, fresh to strong. But this is what we get at this time of year. Cold, sunny days, but then when the weather turns unsettled, it may get milder again, but then we bring back the rain. So temperatures around about 11 degrees on Friday. That's 52 degrees Fahrenheit, but we will be starting Friday morning frost-free. Next weekend, we're back to square one, sunshine and showers, perhaps some fine weather to be had on Saturday with light winds, some sunny spells, and a bit cooler at around about 9 degrees, but we're in that unsettled regime again. I don't think it'll be long before we're bringing in more rain and wind from the Atlantic by next Sunday. So in summary, dry, fine, settled and frosty, certainly for the first 4 days of the week. Wind and rain returns on Friday, becoming more unsettled but milder. I hope you've enjoyed the forecast. Please give this a like. Please give it a share and subscribe to the YouTube channel. It'd be very much appreciated. Have a wonderful week and ciao for now.